There we go. Up we go. See, there's the Dillard store.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow, there's the water tower.
Where's the drone now? I don't see it.
Oh, it's way up there. I can go out miles with it. I'm not going to go that far. I'm just backing up to where I can get a picture of the mall with the water tower. This is the Dillard store. I'm going to take a picture. I'll take a picture of us when I bring it back. Take the picture. There we go. What road is that over there? That's Interstate 45, right?
I think so.
Yeah, I'm flying over by the interstate now. I'll bring it back here in a second. I'm not going to stay up too long.
Yeah, because I got to get back to my parents.
Yep, that's what we're going to do here in just a second. See, look, you can see the highway. Do you see the screen? See, I'm going over by the highway. I'm already over 1,000 feet away, and I'm going to turn around and face the mall. And here, that's behind the sport mode. I want to go on the other side where the sun's shining. I want to see that water tower. What's this area called? Baybrook?
Yeah, Baybrook Mall.
Yeah, I'm just going down by the water tower to get a picture of it. I think that's cool. They have their own water tower.
See, this is Andrew doing his drone operation.
I'm going to bring it back here.
I still don't see it.
Oh, it's going over there. It's going to come back here in just a second. I'm just flying over those mountains to turn around and shoot them all.
Max altitude reached.
Max altitude
Max
reached.
altitude reached.
There we go. I see the whole mall, and I'm going to bring it back.
Yeah, because my father is calling me.
Okay, we're going to go. I just have to get the drone back, obviously. Take the picture. Here, it's coming back.
Return to home.
It's on its way back now.
Max
All right.
altitude reached.
See, that is a behind-the-scenes view of Andrew flying a drone.
It's making its way back now. I see where I am. I can do this menu. There I am.
I want to get out of here.
I think that's us right there.
Watch this thing land safely. And that's it.